Hello everyone. I'm just going to make a short video to show you how to find out when you have lessons and how to access a few of the different resources via Google Calendar. So this is Google Calendar right here. Um, as long as you're logged into Google, then you will be able to access the Google Calendar. So whenever I make a lesson, I will share it with the person who's got that lesson or their parent. How do you get to Google Calendar first? So you just go into Google or any of your Google applications like the Google Mail, Google Drive, and you'll find all the applications up here. This kind of square of 9 dots, but again, only if you're logged in, and only if the right person's logged. Well, as long as someone's logged in, you'll have these up here. And you can see who's logged in by holding up here, or you can click on it and it'll say who's logged in. The right person needs to be logged in to be able to see the events that I share with you, because I've shared it with a specific person, and that specific person is the only person who will be able to see those events. So you click on this, and then you can see calendar, and when you click on that, it will take you to the Google Calendar. Now, this red line represents now. Okay, so we are currently, as I'm recording this, it is Monday the 23rd, 9:50 a.m. And as you can see, there is a lesson. Say if this is you, you will know, oh, I've got a lesson in 10 minutes or 9 minutes or whatever. Well, 15 minutes actually, according to down there. Yeah, quarter to 10. So so now you know when your lesson is. You can actually you can scroll forward and look at other weeks, or you can you can click on this bit up here, and you can get different views like monthly or whatever you want. You can configure it in lots of different ways. To get this graying out feature, this is just like an add-on for Google. So lots of different add-ons you can get for Google Calendar and Google Drive and everything else. Anyway, so let's go inside. If we click on that once, we get a pop-up, and it tells us a link which when we click on it, well, we've got various links. When we click on them, we could be taken to our physics whiteboard, or we could start our Zoom meeting, and it would have your meeting ID and your passcode underneath there. And down here, there's links to my Facebook, my Trustpilot, Google reviews. Over here, you can check out my certificates and DBS and all that. This one is actually, to be fair, I should probably delete this now. It's currently not properly in action. But anyway, so then you can click on. Anyway, so these are the most important links are the ones up at the top there. So how to get to your whiteboards and how to start your Zoom meeting. And then this first bit here, this will be the student number. So this will be hopefully with you always the same. If it's not the same, let me know. Or if the number doesn't seem right, let me know. And then it'll be, often I might write what I'm actually doing with that student. That's really for my benefit, just to remind me. So it gives me an idea about a little bit more about that student, because sometimes I might forget your student number. Another thing that might happen, might be written after the student number, are your initials. So it's just, again, a way to keep anonymity whilst at the same time giving me enough of a prompt to remind me who that person is. Now, if it's got CANX written after it, it means that we have agreed that this lesson is cancelled. I don't delete them when they're cancelled, because I find it's just a little bit less confusing if the lesson's still there, but it's just said cancelled, so there's still a record that the lesson has been cancelled, rather than me thinking that somehow it's been accidentally deleted. Yeah, that's it really. So that's how you get to your lesson. That's how you get to find the links to your Zoom meeting, your whiteboards, and everything else like that. And it's also how to find out whether or not we have a lesson today, or when we have a lesson. This is always going to be the sort of default place to find lessons. So if your Notion page doesn't match this, then this is the page that you should stick to. If anything doesn't seem right, just let me know. Okay. Thanks. Bye.